Single life are the best. You for them boy, you have too much stress. Single life are the best. Single life are the best. Me a pray to God for bring me happiness. Single life.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Walk wanna get Unstoppable family. So people, the girl in the beginning, the song, she named Shari. And Shari I say, yo, single life are the best. But we soon talk about Shari in another little bit. Right now, make we talk about the topic, single life are the best. Me no feel like say Shorty, which is Kartel baby mother Tanisha. Me no feel she agree say, yo, single life are the best, you know. Because Shorty means that she nah lego Kartel finna other Shorty say, yo, me with tab yo. You remember that song there where Kartel sing when he say, yo, Shorty swing off on me with a knife. Me I got up and say that's alright. Remember the song there? Yeah. So Shorty, you know something? All of you remember the song. See? Alright, good. So Shorty giving the inside scoop on what really go down. Why she end up off his swing off of him with a knife. But it wasn't really a knife. Shorty explained it was an ice pick. But people, make we jump in right now and take a listen to what Shorty have to say then, no?
Where did stab him? Where did stab him for?
What's the talking about? It's our place.
Oh God, as I say.
What you say?
What you talking about? It's our place.
What you say?
Ready again?
Mm-hmm.
Me don't want nobody ear still when you talk. You understand me?
No man, you can't talk loud.
Stab. Where you stab him for?
What you stab him for? It's like boom.
Yeah. Well, shot him. Come drink some of my water first. Yeah. Where you stab him for now?
Glad lava drink some water. I'm gonna drink some wine.
Yeah.
Let's drink too much.
Yeah. Hello.
Alright, lava.
Yeah.
Me and him in an argument.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to BAM.
Mm-hmm.
I'm there at the house. Drive out. Leave to go to the studio. Takes him and tells me I got my yard.
Okay.
Drive out down to my yard and thing. It's like one man say, take a taxi, go back at the yard. Take a taxi and go back at the yard.
Hold on there. When him drive out, you call him and on the phone and say, I got your yard.
Yeah.
You continue me here.
And then he drive out. I'm gonna fix up my clothes.
Yeah.
When me drive out now, when me drive out, I go to BAM. Reach over my mother.
Mm-hmm.
Me nobody drive go back. I call a taxi.
Mm-hmm.
They say after me call a taxi now,
Yeah.
go to the yard because I have my own key.
Right.
Go to the yard now, it's like him come, him never see my car, so BAM, him thinks I'm not there.
Right.
So one time me I watch the camera now, I see him drive up. We just got the front gate to the corner and something more. My one girl step out of the car.
What? At this.
Yeah,
Yeah, so in come out of the car with a girl.
alright, yeah.
So where you there at the time? In the house or in the yard?
You know hear what I say?
Yeah.
But hear the car drive up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I go in the house and I see everything on the camera. So it's like now, all the house set up, the gate have a little corner where nobody can see if they right there. So.
Yeah, me know, yeah.
Yeah, some of the right there so well easy and well prepared upon you.
Yeah.
So, me like him a come out of the car now and think car like me here talking.
Yeah.
So I say that sound like a girl voice.
Yeah.
I say, alright then. So you see as them pull the grill now and come in, the gate and come in, but they right at the corner and thing.
Right.
So I never give him no time to pull the
grill for going, yeah.
But just run out pan him with my ice cream.
Hold on. So where the girl is there?
Girl run gone down the road, I don't know what she thought. So he have to end up, get what she forget. Yeah.
So I speak and stab him with.
Andrews. Yeah. Wait, lava. Big up Sean Stam.
Yeah.
Big up Sean Stam, because Sean Stam in carrying.
So me ask you a question. So you go to unjust too?
Huh?
You go to the too?
No?
Pussy clot.
No, I never go down there.
Yeah. Hey. Just picture him face when him see a run out, you know, can feel like he there yard, you know.
Hey, me I tell you, say, girl, you only fall her slippers.
Clot. He's a runner,
Me
that.
don't know where she turned.
He's a runner.
Why? Me I wonder.
She must
I
have
wonder
a
from Merlin.
She must have one track shoes or something.
But I wonder from Merlin, she fall.
So she run on the road and scream and him something there?
Oh?
So what time was that? Like hours in the morning and late in the night?
About, say, after 1 to 2.
Pussy clot. So wonder how she reach home.
I don't know. I don't really care.
So when you come back come back out of the hospital, the next day or the same night?
The same night.
Or the same night?
When him come out of the hospital, me never there at the hospital. Me never there at the house, sorry. Me never there at the house. Me didn't there at Portmore.
So
when he reach out of the hospital, I call on my mother phone.
Yeah.
Me come home and blah and all these things.
So you must say no, which part you stab him?
That's no side love.
Lord, he could have killed a woman's son.
He never did. Good thing.
So me I say to you know, so are you boil soup him and them stuff there and feel make it?
No, my mother. My mother calls her. But still never leave.
Shorty. Say you nurse him own and you know cook no soup in and make him.
No, my mother. R.I.P. Valerie. May I tell you, you just stress my mother.
So what I want stab? So one stab him get?
Well, I'm not even how much you get from him. I'm saying
But you get too sick. And ice pick? Alright, well, and it's an ice pick, right? It's an ice pick you use. So what on?
Yeah.
What?
Right.
Yeah. Yo!
Hey, you hear him sing it in the song? I read it.
What? Which one that?
But I never knife or ice pick.
It's an ice pick. It's an ice pick. Yeah.
Yeah, but the knife rhyme.
Yo. Yo. Hey, Shadi, I said for Shadi, so because Yo.
From them time there, he might tell the world say, me had the love of him life. You know, change.
Him just know himself from them time there.
Before them time there.
I play that song here. Cause you're bad. I play that song for you. Play that song here. Play a shot. Ready now.
Bad we bad Gaza, bad we bad. Bad we bad Gaza, bad we bad.
So after I get the stab up and I link something there, you know, mash up nothing and link something there. Where's the see me that woman in there? Mash up na car and nothing, like a mash up na car and nothing and something there.
Laugh like you have somebody that tell you things them.
No, because I know woman say, me must say that woman in the kitchen with you know.
You have somebody that tell you things them, laugh. Like a regular mash up car glass.
Shorty, you go and I know there's something shorty. Me and part of Gaza, I just want to know because I eat things I want to be sure.
Regular.
Alright, hear me I said to you, right? Shh. Between me again, right?
That she, I know.
Ready? Alright, hear me I say. Me not tell nobody in, right?
Everybody are here to talk. Talk. Yeah, talk loud.
Talk loud.
Loud.
And don't lie. Alright, well on there. Well on. I'm going for my Bible. Well on there. Yeah, my Bible right there. So. So I'm Bible right there, right? You see the Bible? Put up your hand to the Bible. Raise the right hand.
How should I my right hand again?
Raise, me don't know this raise the right hand. Alright? Ready?
Yes. Hey.
Kartel ever cry over here yet? Hold on. Let me drink some of the Magnum. Drink some of the Magnum.
That one is nice.
Drink some of the Magnum. Drink some of the Magnum.
That one is nice. You ready?
Yeah. Hold on. Remember say you sweep on the Bible, you know.
Lava, I swear, pan, my son them life.
All right, then talk to me.
Where you said don't Kartel ever cry over me?
Yeah.
You know Sharon Williams?
Okay.
All right, ask Sharon Williams.
Me not time for action. Me ask you right now.
Regular.
Shorty, nobody.
Look, with a straight face, regular.
Pussy club.
I know, but take my son them life serious.
Hold on. When it's a cry over, my ask right?
You don't cry over. I want her.
Hold on there. Internal crying or external crying. I want to run and go something there. And nose not and go something there run.
Lava.
Pussy club.
Not talk about no water in a glass and put a ice so. Not talk about natural eye water.
Pussy club. Alright, hold on there. So, alright, like, listen, you have some people that cry as eye water but you're not nice. I'm just asking you.
Just hear what me I say, Lava. Because I approve, I have a receipt for everything. Ask Sharon Williams are facts. I never hear him sing about facts yet.
Hold on. Alright then. Alright. Me don't know, right? I'm just like pretend to be like Kartel at the time when I cry. Like, Shari, don't leave me. Tattoo.
He want love and drama to himself, you know. That's what I say, yo, Kartel ever cry for you. Watch out about people. We like the reasoning between Lava and Shorty. You see, if you like it, comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Share your views and your opinion down in the comment section. Once your comment makes sense, then we will definitely respond. Alright, so people, before I jump up, I want to tell you about that girl here. She named Shari.
Want to Jerry, must they have too much liquor. Block the boy on IG, come a call on Twitter. Request a nude, some a block him quicker.
How much only you can relate to what Shari said a while ago? Shari talk about the stalkerish boy then. When they see a nice little pretty chick and feel like say yo, I want that, you know. And she the girl that try go out her own little business and him a stalk her down. You see him? Him a follow her on Twitter, him a follow her on Instagram, and everywhere she block him find her someplace else. Is what Shari talk about. How much only ladies go through them thing there. You see what I say? And then the next thing what Shari mentioned too, she say yo, we have some boy on the internet we request nude pictures and she just block him quicker. And not how the ladies go through them thing they know. And ladies, you don't know the one them way not even say hi to you, but when you open my message is a dick picture. You know say in there, yes. Me hear the complaints too. A whole heap of woman face that. No, make we hear what Shari say again.
I'm me, the single life, you know me stress free. Independent, me turn my own key. Me work too hard to get the degree. If I make a boy come, but butter bros me.
Oh, you mean, Shari? Me like a working class woman. Although me not like the part where you say single life for the best still, you know, Shari. Because a girl who look like you have to get snatched up still, you know. But Shari says she work too hard to get her degree to make a boy come butter bruiser. Oh, you mean? Me like a working class woman where you have some boy then we chase down the woman, then we see the woman look nice and pretty and live a nice life and chase her down, baby, and me for there, you know. Me go treat you like the queen. Me go treat you the best. No boy never treat you like how me go treat you, and he start beat her as soon as him get her. You see? So Shari said, none of that now go on. But anyway, people, here what, if you want to check out the rest of Shari's song, our link can go be down in the description, and you can click the link, go over Shari page and go check out the rest of the song, the full song. And make sure when you go over there, you leave a comment and say Unstoppable, send me. See? And subscribe to Shari channel too. Watch out, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Until the next video, no matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.